Hello, I'm Duncan McLennan. I'm here at Avidbots. We built Neo, which is the world's best floor cleaning robot. And Neo is unique among floor cleaning robots in that he's available with 3 different cleaning system configurations, each of which has its own advantages, its disadvantages, and an ideal application. So I'd like to take a few minutes today to discuss that with you. Now, the first and most popular type of cleaning system available with Neo is a disc cleaning head. Disc heads are generally equipped with floor pads that look like this, and these are a great choice for facilities that have relatively smooth floors and where debris is going to be swept up before the robot cleans. Floor pads offer excellent cleaning quality, they're relatively inexpensive, and they're available in a wide variety of materials to match just about any floor surface you can think of. They do have some downsides, of course. Their lifespan is relatively short, so they need to be replaced on a regular basis, and they're unable to collect any debris, which means you need to sweep the floor thoroughly before cleaning with a system like this. And that's where Neo's alternative cleaning system, the cylindrical cleaning head, comes into play. A cylindrical system uses 2 brushes. They're tube-shaped, they look like this, and they're counter-rotating, so they simultaneously scrub the floor while also sweeping up light debris and throwing it into a debris bin. These are ideal in any environment where light debris is likely to be present all the time and maybe won't always be swept, so something like a warehouse. They also have a relatively long life, usually measured in months rather than days, which is typical of a floor pad. As for the downsides of the cylindrical system, well, the cleaning tool itself is more complicated than a floor pad and therefore more expensive. They don't tend to remove stubborn stains like salt or sugar as well as a floor pad does, and they can be a little bit louder than a disc. So as you can see, selecting the correct cleaning system for your facility, your floor, your application is extremely important. By picking the right cleaning head, you can ensure not only that your floors look great, but that you've optimized your cleaning process and that you're maximizing your ROI. That's all for today. If you have questions, comments, or would like to learn more about the advantages and disadvantages of different types of cleaning systems, please don't hesitate to subscribe, comment, or reach out to me personally. I'd love to chat. Thanks, have a good one.